Yeah, 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 yeah. Mystery.
You know where, I'm mafia.
It's up a dice. Yeah, brace up, me and the ponders.
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀.
yeah.
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Fún wọn jẹ bí ṣe ń wẹ́gbẹ̀.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this hair I received from Alipearl. You guys know that I've been with Alipearl for a long time and I like their hair. So this time around they sent me their loose deep hair, and this came in this pack, and in that pack I also got some bending rollers and some hair accessory. So if you order this hair, you're sure to get some of those goodies in the box. So yes, this is how it came, and yeah, the name of the company is written on the bundles like you see, and these bundles are so gorgeous. The waves are so deep, and like you can see in the video, this is the closure. The closure is nice. It has some little baby hairs on it and it's really lovely. So I wanted to just do like a sew in, making the closure look like a frontal. So yeah, I'm going to work with these 3 bundles like you can see. So now I want just to try it to see how it fits on my head before I go ahead to pluck in on this one. You know what I mean? So I went to the mannequin head and I pin it down like so with those pins so that I can pull out a little bit on the front. This is optional, you can skip this part. So I'm spraying water right now, and then I'm going to use my tweezer and try to remove a little bit of hair there. If you're doing this, you have to be careful at a point, because if you're not careful, you're going to take a lot of hair away and you will not be able to manage it at the end of it all. I've made such mistakes in the past, but gradually I'm learning how to do this thing very well. I'm still learning, guys, so that's it. So like I'm removing some hair there. You can see how I'm doing that randomly, going in and coming out, going in and coming out, yeah. So that's what I'll be doing. So after doing that, I'll come back to show you. So now I think I've done enough of plucking here, and I can see that it's really looking nice, and I know I thinned it out a little. So I'm going to cut away the lace at this point. So when you're cutting the lace, you have to put all the baby hairs back, if not you're going to get them off. So what I'm going to do next is to apply some foundation on the lace to be sure that it matches my hairline. And so after that, also I'm going to go ahead and try to trim the baby hairs. I did this alright, but I had to redo it, cutting the baby hairs again while it was on my head. You get the measurement right when it's on your head. So yeah, this is what I'll be doing right now. And this is my braid pattern. So if you are a beginner, I don't advise you to sew in on this braid pattern because it's quite difficult. You need to do a lot of maneuvering before you can get it perfect. So but because I'm all used to sewing my own hair, I'm used to, and I can easily maneuver it. But if you are new, make sure you just check my other videos where I do my sewing, and I have videos of braid pattern, which will be easier for you to do by yourself. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply Got to Be gel after I cleaned the makeup from that area, so that you leave that place dry and nice. So now I'm going to apply the closure on it like so, and I'm going to use a dryer to do that, but I didn't show it in this video. I just wanted to cut time because I see this video was getting too long. So now I've applied it and you can see how firm it is. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and sew round the perimeter where the lace is onto the braid. And yeah, I'll let you watch this because this is simple for you to watch and understand rather than me talking and interrupting you guys. So yeah, just keep watching it to see, and I'll talk to you soon. So now I'm done sewing the lace on my head, and I did a pretty nice job. Like I said before, if you're a beginner, don't even try this braid pattern because it wasn't that easy sewing this hair, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to even sew the remaining part, you know, on it. But yeah, I'll maneuver it. So this is it. This is how it looks after I, you know, sew it on it, and you can see how nice and flat it looks. So flat. So the remaining part is for me to go ahead and sew the bundles into it. I'm sorry, I'll not be showing every bit of this. I have videos on this already, so I'm going to link down how you can do that by yourself. I have detailed videos on how to sew in your own hair, so I just want to show you what I was doing. I'm just going to go around like so in that pattern until I get to the U, and I sew it all. So when I finished it, this is what it looked like, and I just tried to work on the baby hair. So yeah, so because this is a lace closure and I want it to look like no, just seeing this hair, what do you think? Don't you think that it looks like a frontal? Like, just because I don't want to show the ear part, you can wear this and everybody will think that you're just wearing a lace frontal. What do you think, guys? Just put the comment down in the comment section. So the idea of it is achieved. I look like I'm wearing a frontal. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I went ahead and spraying water, and this is the final look, guys. Don't I look like a frontal lady? And this is just a lace closure. So yeah, if you're watching me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all like always, and yeah, this is it. Yeah, the curls are banging, the hair is beautiful, this deep loose wave is really lovely. So this is a week after. This is what the hair looks like, you know, after a week, and I'm thinking of removing the hair now because I wore it just for a week. And so this is what it looks like. The front is still popping, everywhere is hot, so I just need to get this hair off my. So thank guys, bye 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 bye. I'm saying it's freaking hot. All right then, bye guys.
Yeah.